What's up, YouTube? Today we have the DUNU Titan S2 in-house. Here we go. This is a new single dynamic driver from DUNU, the second iteration of the Titan series. Okay, inside the box we have a nice carrying case. We'll put that aside. We also have some other goodies. If you guys know, DUNU really accessorizes their IEMs quite well. We're gonna take a look, see what tips they include in here. Quite a few. And we have some documentation, warranty card, and a little instruction booklet on how to use a Q-Mini interchangeable plug system. Inside the carrying case we have the IEMs. See, it's nicely coiled. The IEMs are wrapped in these little baggies during transport. It has the 3.5mm connector attached from the factory, and the 4.4mm is included. Let's take a look at the IEMs. I think they're made out of some sort of alloy metal, and they look really pretty with the red accents. Alright, so we have the Titan S2 completely unboxed. As you can see, it is quite the package that you get for $79.99. DUNU always does a good job, including plethora of tips, from the candy tips to a red bore silicone to a more firmer silicone in these guys, and then of course the DUNU SNS tips, which are one of my favorites. The cable that they include on the Titan S2 is also a new cable using the Q-Lock mini system. As you can see, it's kind of cool because the bottom half is kind of sheathed in this, nylon material, but then where the IEMs are, it's your typical two-weave silver copper plated cable. And of course the Q-Mini system, which allows you to change out the termination to a 4.4 or a 3.5. I think DUNU really is doing a great job listening to its customers, including the 3.5 and the 4.4. So yeah, so this is the initial unboxing of the DUNU Titan S2. I'll have more impressions and thoughts later. And like the video and subscribe, and we'll have more in the future. Take care.